Okay, quick question. Why do you always panic when the waiter asks for here or to go?
Because it's a trick question, there are so many options now. Iced, hot, oat milk, almond milk, extra shot, decaf. I just freeze and say same as her.
Even when we're not ordering the same thing?
Especially then.
All right, let's actually fix this. Ordering coffee in English isn't hard once you know the pattern.
There's a pattern?
There's always a pattern. First, greeting. Waiter says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" You don't need anything fancy back.
So not greetings, esteemed barista.
Please don't. Just, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?" works perfectly.
Okay, simple enough. But then they ask 100 follow-up questions.
Not 100, usually just three: size, milk, and hot or iced.
Give me an example.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
See? Easy. Then, what size would you like?
Medium, please. Or do I say regular?
Either works. Depends on the place. Some say small, medium, large. Others say tall, grande, venti if you're feeling fancy.
I refuse to say venti in public.
Fair. Then the milk question. Would you like any milk with that?
Just a splash of oat milk, please.
Look at you, ordering like a pro already.
I'm basically fluent now.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. What if you want to add sugar or flavors?
Oh, can I add a pump of vanilla?
Exactly. Or could I get an extra shot of espresso if you need the caffeine emergency version?
That's my order every Monday.
Now, here's a useful phrase people forget: asking questions back. If you're not sure what something is,
Like when the menu says cortado and I just stare at it?
exactly. You can just ask, "Sorry, what's a cortado?" Waiters expect that question all the time.
That feels less scary when you say it like that.
It should. Nobody expects you to know every drink name. Even locals get confused sometimes.
Okay, what about paying? That's where I'll always mumble and panic.
Super simple. Can I pay by card? Or I'll pay in cash, please.
And if they ask for here or to go?
Just answer directly. For here, please. Or to go, thanks.
See, when you say it slowly like that, it doesn't sound scary at all.
That's the secret. It's not about knowing fancy words. It's about knowing the pattern of the conversation.
Greeting, drink type, size, milk, extras, payment.
Exactly. Once you know that shape, you can fill in any coffee order in the world.
Can we practice one more time, start to finish?
Sure, I'll be the waiter. Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium iced coffee, please?
Sure thing. Any milk with that?
Yes, oat milk, please, and one pump of vanilla.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go, please, and can I pay by card?
Perfect. That'll be right up. See, you just ordered an entire coffee in perfect English without freezing once.
I feel unstoppable. I might order a second one just to practice again.
That's actually a great way to practice, honestly.
Wait, really?
Repetition builds confidence. The more real conversations you have, even small ones like this, the more natural it becomes.
So ordering coffee is basically language practice disguised as caffeine addiction.
The best kind of self-improvement.
All right, let's recap for everyone taking notes.
1. Start with a simple greeting and your order.
2. Expect 3 follow-up questions: hot or ice, size, and milk.
3. Don't be afraid to ask what a drink is if you don't recognize it.
4. Know how to answer for here or to go and how you're paying.
And 5. Practice out loud, even if it's just ordering coffee.
Honestly, I think I could walk into any coffee shop now and not freeze up.
That's the goal. Small, real conversations build real confidence.
If you're watching this and you've got a coffee order phrase that always trips you up, drop it in the comments. We'll break it down for you.
And if this helped, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next real-life English conversation.
See you next time. Coffee in hand, of course.
Always.